What's going on, y'all? RJ with RJ's Trades. Today, I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite plays for 2025. I love this play as a long-term play for next year and possibly beyond, and that is none other than Square. All right, so Square is Block Incorporated. They're like the parent to Square and Cash App. All right, so a lot of things that I do in trading, I use chart patterns. All right, and this is forming one of my favorite chart patterns that is called a inverse head and shoulders. Okay, so an inverse head and shoulders is a bullish pattern that comes from a downtrend, and it tells you that this thing has a chance to be bullish in the future. Okay, so what you see here is a shoulder, shoulder, head, and then you have a neckline. All right, so this neckline here is this trend line that is trying to be broken. It's also around this 87 to 90 area. All right, so as you can see, we have broken out of this pattern and we are trying to retest here. Okay, so this is a break and retest. The thing about trading is you want to have confluence. You want to have the most things that can tell you that something is more than likely to go up or that it's more than likely to go down. Right now, we have a couple of things telling us upside. We have a inverse head and shoulders pattern on the weekly chart. All right, so weekly charts, the larger the time frame, the larger the move. Okay, now we have a break and retest. We also have one more thing here. If you look at the 200 MA, we are retesting the 200 MA. A lot of times the 200 MA can act as a support or resistance. Okay, so we have multiple things going in our favor right here. All right, so the question that you're going to ask me is how far can this thing go? All right, so how much money can you make? One way to find out how much money you can make is take the length of the impulse move, or in this case, the head to the neckline. If we take the head to the neckline and we apply this at the breakout here, this is saying that we could possibly get to somewhere around 134. All right, and that would be a significant increase in this stock. Okay, another way to kind of determine how far can it go, you have to say, okay, well, where's the next key level on this chart? When you look at this chart, it really has like a crazy run up, crazy run down. So it really didn't have a whole bunch of time to just make a base, honestly. So really, I think this thing can go up around 150. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to happen super fast. I'm not saying it's going to happen in a week, in a month, but I believe that Square can have a really good year. Their financials are looking good. Square also is in the same realm with Bitcoin. They own over 8,000 Bitcoins. Bitcoin is at all-time highs. If we get that crypto run, I think Square can have that run as well. All right. So I really like Square. We got a lot of things telling us that this thing can be a great stock for 2025. And I'm betting on the upside. You guys want to say, okay, well, how do you know that this pattern will play out? You don't. All right. Trading is all about probability. But what I can show you is the last time that I saw this pattern on the weekly chart was NVIDIA. You see, you have a head, shoulder, and a shoulder. And don't you see the same type of thing that was happening to NVIDIA? This crazy downtrend. What happened to NVIDIA? All right. Now, I'm not saying that Square is going to do the same thing NVIDIA did. What I am saying is history repeats itself in the stock market. Okay. So this is a play that I am looking for 2025. I'm looking to get some long call options on this. If you like Square, let me know in the comments if this was helpful at all. Let me know that as well. You guys leave a like, and I'll probably drop some more plays that I love for 2025. Y'all got any questions? Drop them down below. Peace, y'all. Have a good one.